Welcome to our series, Igniting Growth with Data. Today, we are going to talk about how to develop a data strategy. This is the first of a three-part series where we will discuss data strategy in more detail. Make sure to stay tuned for the next 2 episodes. A well-executed data strategy can help you become more data-driven, improve operational efficiency, make better decisions, and create new data-driven products and services. Let's get started. There are 3 steps to developing a data strategy. Assessing your current state, creating a future state, and defining KP is to measure success. Let's take a closer look at each one. Step 1. Assess your current state. Start by assessing your current data and analytics capabilities. You may have some data initiatives already underway, like building a data warehouse or implementing an enterprise data catalog. Understanding where you are now will help you define what you want to achieve and the steps you need to take to get there. Consider these questions to help guide your assessment. What data do you have? Take inventory of all the data that your organization has, both structured and unstructured. This may include customer data, product data, financial data, operational data, and more. Where is your data located? Understand where your data resides, whether it's in a data warehouse, data lake, various databases, or other storage solutions. Who are your data owners and stewards? Identify the individuals or teams responsible for managing and maintaining the data. What tools and technologies are currently being used? Evaluate the tools and technologies that you're using for data management, analysis, and processing. This includes your data infrastructure, data governance, and data security tools, as well as any other relevant systems. What are the gaps in your data capabilities? Once you have a clear understanding of your current state, you can start to identify any gaps in your data capabilities. These could be gaps in terms of data quality, data accessibility, or data literacy. What are your business goals? Your data strategy should align with your overall business goals. So it's important to understand what you want to achieve with your data. Are you looking to improve customer experience, increase operational efficiency, or develop new data-driven products and services? Step 2. Create your future state. Now that you have assessed your current data capabilities, it's time to create a vision for your future state. This should include a roadmap for becoming more data-driven and the specific changes you need to make to achieve your desired state. Consider these questions as you create your future state. What does your ideal data-driven organization look like? Envision the kind of organization you want to be and the role that data plays in it. How will data and analytics help you achieve your business goals? Determine how data can help you improve decision-making, create new products and services, and optimize operations. What data and analytics capabilities do you need to build to support your business goals? This could include things like data management and governance capabilities, advanced analytics and machine learning, or data-driven culture and skills. What are the specific actions you need to take to get from your current state to your desired state? Once you have identified the gaps in your current state, you can start to develop action plans to address them. This could involve implementing new tools and technologies, building new data capabilities, or changing processes and behaviors. Step 3. Define KP is to measure success. To ensure that your data strategy is a success, it's important to define KPs that you can use to measure progress towards your goals. These KPs should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Some examples of data strategy KPs include data usage and adoption. Track how frequently data is accessed and used across the organization. This can be measured by tracking things like the number of data users, the volume of data accessed, or the number of data-driven decisions made. Data quality and governance. Measure the quality and accuracy of your data using metrics like the percentage of complete and accurate data records. You can also track how well you are adhering to data governance policies and standards. Data skills and literacy. Assess the level of data skills and literacy across the organization. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or by tracking the number of employees who have completed data training programs. In the next episode of Igniting Growth with Data, we will deep dive into each of these steps and provide more detailed guidance on how to develop a data strategy. We will also share best practices and real-world examples from organizations that have successfully implemented data strategies. Make sure to stay tuned so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how Google Cloud can help you become more data-driven, visit our website, And check out the links in the description below for additional resources. See you next time.